Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you are currently getting editing Alaina right now because originally I filmed this video and the background is just incredibly too loud. So I just decided to do a voiceover. And so we are setting up for the month of November. I am adding in on my memory page a picture of my girls for the month of October, and then we are going to start planning in my catch-all planner. So I'm going to be using these fall stickers from Happy Planner in order to set up this spread. This is a pretty old sticker book. I mainly use really old sticker books because I purchased so many in the beginning of my planning journey, and now I'm just trying my best to work through them and not purchase anymore. So this is my monthly overview page where I am just adding in all of the big things that are coming up for the month. We are going to add in birthdays, upcoming events. I also want to add in my goals, and I'm going to add in my monthly overview, which is like a checklist of different things that I want to complete throughout the month. Now, one thing about this page is that it will change from month to month. It just depends on what's going on. Like for instance, I'm adding birthdays, but if I don't have at least 3 birthdays in the current month, then I usually won't add it to my overview page. I will usually add other things like books that I'm currently reading, or Bible study items, or church events that are coming up. It could be a bunch of different things. It just depends on the month. I will always add my goals though, and for this month I have 4 goals. I decided not to put this sticker here because I believe I needed all of the space, and I was right. And so I'm writing in all 4 of my goals, and for this month I know that Vlogmas is coming up, so I do want to plan and start to think about all of the videos that I want to post in December. And I am getting back on my reading. I want to up my reading for this month, and I put that I'm working out 3 times a week every single month. I've done that this entire year, and there's only been about 3 or 4 months where I was unable to work out at least 3 times a week. Me just adding it to my goals makes me actually do it on a consistent basis. I'm also adding my monthly checklist, and then I'm going to close it out with a quote. This is a quote on being grateful, which I thought was fitting for November. So now we're moving to the monthly calendar, and this is where I will usually pull my future dated calendar and the school calendar, and I'm going to use that to fill out this section of my planner. So we're going to start off by just adding in all of the dates, and then I'm going to add in a couple of stickers here and there. But I'm also going to make sure that I still have a lot of space because I usually write a lot on my catch-all planner. My catch-all planner is where I'm going to add in kind of an overview of everything that's happening in every single area. So I usually need a lot of space. So usually the stickers go around the border, and some of them will go on some of the days. Like I did add one on actual Thanksgiving Day because I know that I'm not going to be doing anything but hanging out with family that day. But everything else, all of the other stickers are just kind of around the spread. That way I still have a lot of space to write in everything else that I need to. So the monthly calendar in my catch-all planner is the hub of everything that's going on in my life. So this is the planner where I will check first if I need to see if I am available for an event or an upcoming task. So this is where I will usually abbreviate a lot in this planner, and that's because I am trying to add in all of my church items, personal items, life things, family things, and work all in this one planner, and social media. So it has a lot going on, and it usually gets crazier and crazier as the month goes on. And so I'm always trying to find ways to kind of write down abbreviations or other markings to let myself know of different things that are coming up without having to use the entire box. So what I will usually do is I might put that I have a doctor's appointment in my catch-all planner, but my personal planner will have the details of that doctor's appointment. It will have the location, the time, and it will also have what type of appointment it is. Like for instance, I have to go to the doctor this week and I have a mammogram scheduled. So I will put doctor's appointment in my catch-all planner, but in my personal planner, I will write down that it's a mammogram, what time it's for, and possibly even what doctor I am going to see. And doing this simple process really helps me with my money as well, because like for the doctor's appointment, I'll think about my copay and I'll add that into my budget planner. Or birthdays, I'll think about what I'm planning on spending on a gift and add that to my budget planner. So that's how budgeting and planning really do go together. So now we are basically finishing up this spread. I'm adding on to my sidebar what's coming up next month, and that's going to be it for this month. I really like how this fall spread came together. I really love the stickers in this one. I think that it came together very nicely, and I love fall and winter stickers the most because I think they just create the prettiest spreads. So are y'all planned for the month of November? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you all in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.